Signing up is quick and easy. Enter your name and email, choose your username and set your password, verify your email, and validate your new profile. Verify your identity online with our third-party payment provider. Return back to the Blender platform app. Now monetary transactions may be conducted. Fund your Blender wallet using US dollars, starting with just enough to create a credit line with a small credit limit. Create a credit line. Choose your public or private access. Choose your credit limit, minimum monthly payment, and interest rate of compounding debt. Review your credit line configuration. Enter your password to authenticate the transaction and create your credit line account. Note: you may incrementally increase your credit limit after creation. Look out for collateral assistance eligibility within your credit line. To lend, ensure there are adequate funds in your Blender wallet. And now to select a credit line, choose one from the available accounts. The account labeled Corporate has done exceptionally well and is backed by the Blender platform's parent company, Lenderblock Corporation. View the credit line and its details. To lend, enter your desired value at the bottom of the screen. Read and sign to agree to the lender's agreement. Enter your password to authenticate the transaction. And you've lent. The Mutual Corporate Fund is one of many credit lines within the Blender platform, showing a 352% growth in average member investment value since its commencement in September 2021. It serves as an example for those interested in borrowing via the Blender platform. Anyone may lend to any public credit lines or create their own credit lines autonomously. Take part in Blender Credit. Earn passive income while building usable credit. The Blender platform and its affiliated entities do not lend, but merely facilitate inter-peer transactions. Begin earning today.